Hello guys, this is Manisha and today I'm here to discuss the topic of IBM, that is CSR. So, CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility, is a type of international private business self-regulation that aims to contribute to our social goals of philanthropic activities or charitable nature by engaging in or supporting volunteering or ethically oriented practices. It is a concept where corporations can choose to merge profit driven strategies with regulation that ensures social investment too, whether it is improving working condition of employees or self-regulating practices to ensure a cleaner environment. Now let's talk about the India's contribution towards the CSR. So, Indian lawmakers has also given due importance to the concept of CSR. In fact, India is the first country which made CSR mandatory for companies in an amendment to the Companies Act 2013. It is gratifying to know that a number of Indian companies have taken a step towards the development of the country. Some of the following companies are, so let's talk about our first company, that is Tata's Chemical Limited. Although the prescribed CSR for 2018 to 19 was 19.86 crores, the company went on spend 25.68 crores this year, improving the quality of life and fostering sustainable and integrated development in the communities where it operates is central to Tata Chemicals' corporate philosophy. Our next company is Infosys, digital services and consulting conglomerate. Infosys Limited in spent INR 342 crores as against a prescribed CSR expenditure of 340 crores. So our next company is Bharat Petroleum Corporation. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited (BPCL) is a government of India controlled Maharatna Oil and Gas Company headquartered in Mumbai. The CSR budget of INR 146.87 crore from the financial year 2017 to 18 was carried forward next year, that is 2018 to 19. Bharat Petroleum could not spend the entire amount and left INR 172.25 crores unspent during this year because the majority of its project spent between 1 to 5 years. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Mahindra and Mahindra spent INR 93.50 crores on CSR activities during the financial year 2018 to 19, according to the annual report published by the company. The company spent INR 8.36 crores on Naini Kali program, which provides educational support to the unprivileged girls in India through an after-school support system. Our last company is ITC Limited. ITC Limited is an Indian multinational conglomerate company headquartered in Kolkata, West Bengal. The company has spent more than prescribed CSR budget in last three financial years. In financial year 2018 to 19, ITC Limited spent INR 306.95 crores.